That'll attract people.
Yes.
Not yet. We did with the little
Try that.
Let's try
dial.
full grip.
That looks like about the hot spot. Oh!
Why isn't it going to the ceiling?
Well, it's like
See just little bits of plasma starting. Oh, there it goes up. It's trying to go.
Definitely. So this microwave's much too weak to do anything.
It was cool.
It was $3. Video waves?
100 times as bright as they normally should be.
That is cool.
Ooh, what is that?
Yeah, that's
Should I turn it off or
No.
Something's
in the name of science, leave it going.
Grab it.
That's crazy. Hey, look.
Nothing's exploded yet.
If I look right at it,
It's clearly blue.
Well, it definitely smells good. Yeah.
Try that one.
oh, it's getting red. Let's get a picture of me making a light bulb. Oh, come on.
Question is,
What's the frequency of this microwave?
Test is over.
Wait, I'm just getting started.
An official SPS experiment microwave.
we have need a really powerful
You could get a 1,000-watt at Walmart for $30.
Yeah, nothing.
Yeah, 1,000 watts isn't very much anymore. You can get 2,250.
It's supposed to make plasma ball of some sort.
Awesome!
Okay, so get that out, Chris.
That was here.
That was nifty.
I think it worked.
You just rolled it up.
It went purple and blue.